Honda VEZEL versus hybrid HRV. Which to buy? They're both compact SUVs, but they still have a lot of differences. And in this video, we're going to show you our top 3. HRVs are made for the Australian market, and their hybrid models only start in 2023. They're brand new, but making them a lot more expensive. And as of right now, you also have to be put on a waiting list in order to get one. And this right here is a 2018 Japanese import, a Honda VEZEL. And this leads us into point number 1, hybrid technology. It combines petrol and electric technology, giving you great fuel efficiency and freedom of movement as you don't have to rely on charging. And look at what the people say. Where with a VEZEL you can get a hybrid for a much cheaper price. The Honda VEZEL is so much more options. The top spec HRV model comes with proximity, leather seats, powered and adjustable driver seats, heated front seats, panoramic sunroofs, and parking sensors on both sides. However, the VEZEL has all those features plus more. Let me show you. First and foremost, it comes with Honda Sensing, a package of intelligent driver assist technologies for your ultimate safety such as lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. It also includes the collision mitigation braking system that will apply the brakes if you somehow miss a collision warning. It has great sound, and of course it also comes with all the power options such as windows, front auto heated seats, and even memory seats. I would be a parking queen in this car as it comes with 360 cameras and parking sensors, which are very handy. And point number 3 is that you will never find this level of sophistication in a Honda HRV. While the colouring of this interior is definitely one of my favourites that I've ever seen, the style and design of it is just immaculate. The Honda HRV is nowhere as sophisticated as the Honda VEZEL. The first time that I saw this car, I thought it was a 2-seater. Look at this sleek handle design. We started driving off and realised that we forgot to film a conclusion, but thank you for watching everybody, and we really hope that you'll subscribe and give us a like.